Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix Ss06 logging error on Snapchat. Now let's first talk about why this can happen. You have been trying too long, like too many times, to log into your account and this error appears. So the first method of fixing it, just wait some time. And don't try to write some wrong passwords if you aren't sure that this password is the one that the right one. So, and after many times and many attempts of logging in, this can just longer the time when you're going to wait for this Ss06 error to disappear. So make sure that you are very sure that this login, this password that you are going to type in to this field, is completely right. If you are not sure, you can just always go to forgot your password and make sure that you attach your phone number or email address to your Snapchat account, Snapchat profile, so you can receive the code on your phone number or email address. So that's it. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.